Most people subtract in Google Sheets the obvious way, but there are actually a few different ways to do it. And one of them is especially useful when you only care about the difference between two numbers. Let's say we have sales in one column and goals in another. We want to know, how far off are we? The standard way? Type an equals sign, click your goal cell, type a minus sign, and subtract your sales cell. Press enter. Then drag it down to apply it to the rest of the rows. Easy. But here's where it gets interesting. You can also subtract entire ranges at once, using an array formula. Instead of writing the formula row by row, you subtract one column from another in a single formula, and it fills everything automatically. Now you might notice something. Depending on which column you subtract from which, you'll get negative numbers. Sales minus goal may be negative. Goal minus sales may be positive. So which one is correct? Here's the key. If all you really need is the difference, meaning the distance between those two numbers, it actually doesn't matter which way you subtract. Because you can wrap the formula in ABS, which stands for absolute value. ABS simply removes the negative sign and gives you the true difference between the numbers. There's also a lesser-known option, the minus function. Instead of using the hyphen symbol, you can type same result, just written as a function. If you want to build smarter, cleaner, more efficient Google Sheets systems, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll help you level up your spreadsheets.